Hello everyone, so I'm here again with another data to analyze and visualize. For us, I have here with me a visualization of 500 or rather 5 million plus commercial airline flights in 2015, which is compiled by for the United States Air Travel Consumer Report. Now in this single data set, having millions on rows of data, contains single flights which contains airline name, the flight number, the origin, the destination, airport, the flight distance, the scheduled and actual departure and arrival times, and so on. So if you've ever visited an airport and you've boarded an airplane, you will discover that there are numerous types of cancellation reason. Sometimes there could be no reason and you are refunded your money. At other times, it could be because of airline delay, or you could have a lot of delays through airline delay, arrival delay. Sometimes you could have delay based on weather, security delays, and so on. So this is my visualization dashboard. And as you can see, I'm just going to go to page one. And here in page one, you see that the number of canceled flights across all airlines and airports is 90,000. The percentage was more than 100. Percentage of delayed flights by weather was more than 100. We had percentage of the count of departure delay was more than 500%. And then here we had the kind of airlines that the number of canceled flights by airlines. Airlines have the highest number of cancelled flights, which was more than 7 million, 7.1 actually. You had Airways had 1.7, you had American Air had 1.7, you had Southwest had 89,000, Alaska had 89,000. Okay, so this other chart shows the cancellation by day name. So we have the highest here being on Monday. How many flights we cancelled on Monday? 21,000 flights were cancelled on Monday, 15 on Tuesday, 13 on Sunday, 12 on Thursday, and so on. Here it shows the airline delay, weather delay, and arrival delay by airline. So what type of airline? You could see that there's a range of really interesting charts showing delay across all the airlines here, from JetBlue Airways to Frontier Airlines Incorporations and so on and so forth. Okay, so we are just, if I get to click, I think I clicked on Atlantic Southwest Airlines, and that's going to show you an average change of number of cancellations by that particular Atlantic here. So you could see this is the name of that airline right there. So we just navigate to page number 2, which is the map visuals really, which is going to show us the percentage of delay by weather by origin airport. So this was actually to help us understand the location of delay by weather, because if the airport is really close to, maybe it's close to the desert or close to the ocean, we may consider certain types of weather to really be an issue. So this visualization shows the heat, kind of the density of the percentage delay by airline flights, as you can see. So it shows this is the thickest, close to Michigan, Wisconsin, Iowa, and then you have California. So airports around this region show as much lesser density than the ones right here. So, and then this shows almost like really high region of density when it comes to weather reports. All right. So we just move over to uh, page 3, or the last page, which shows again airline delay, and you could see the graph here is showing really amazing and interactive visualization of arrival delay, the percentage by the airline. You could see Atlantic South Airlines had 7.14% delay compared to JetBlue Airways, which has 7.14 again. Yeah, that's cool. And you had Gain 7.14, most of them 7.14 when it comes to weather delay. It's a little bit high over here compared to, this is really high to arrival delay, more than 800%. Okay, so that's really interactive, showing how that is. And when it comes to what month has the highest number of canceled flights, so this shows you February had the highest number of canceled flights, followed by January, and March, followed by June, and so on. And here you could see the number of airports in each of the number of airlines in each of the airports. Airports here had the highest number of airlines, more than 4,000 airlines in each of them. So it's been a journey with my team, with my team members, with the Quantum Analytics family. I'm so grateful that I'm able to, on my own, sit down, think this data through, and get to actually visualize it to this point. So I open myself up for feedback and comments and recommendations. So thank you. I'll go back to my home page. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.